Last time வந்து நம்ம ஈக்குவேஷனோட டிவிஷன்ஸ் பார்த்தோம். ஒரு குவாட்ராட்டிக் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷனோட டிவைட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ இங்கே அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் தட் கைண்ட்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஏரியா அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஏரியா இஸ் தட் ஏரியா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு x square plus 7x plus 12. So it's one of breadth is equal to x plus 3. Then what is length? What is its length? Length to be found. Okay. So what actually we have area is what? Area is nothing but breadth length. Breadth length. Okay. When multiplying these two things will gives us area. So now area is given as a quadratic function x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to breadth is also given x plus 3 and nothing length we don't know what length is. So length must be found by using division. So and I think it is going to x square plus 7x plus 12 whole divided by x plus 3. So it gives us length. So this is I'm going to approach and we will find length. So x square plus 7x plus 12. This is x plus 3. X plus 3. When dividing x squared by x, this x squared by x, it will give x. So x into x, it will gives us x squared. That is why I am using this tricks. Clear? For x, multiplying x with this dose factor will gives us something. And x into x squared, and then plus 3x plus 3x. Just removing this minus minus, you will get 4x plus 12 because 7x is greater, minus 3x is smaller. So subtract and put the greater sign. Clear? 4x plus 12. And then what is next? I think next is 4x divided by this x. This will gives us 4. So put here as a 4, then multiply 4 into x, 4x, and 4 into 3, 12. Then when this is minus, this minus, it will gives us 0. So remainders goes 0. Remainder goes 0. So this x plus 4 exactly dividing this. Okay. So I can write x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to exact factor of x plus 3 into x plus 4. Clear? X plus 3 into x plus 4. As you know that this is the quadratic equation. When multiplying we will get 12, addition you will get 7. So for 4 3s are 12. So 4 3s are 12. When 4 plus 3 addition will gives us 7, and 4 3s are multiply will gives us 12. So we can factorize like that x plus 4 into x plus 3. So when multiplying those factors, which will give x squared plus 7x plus 12. So this is another method. So this is this method. So we can come across all the things and will acquire the knowledge. Okay. Okay. Next sum. We'll move on. Next sum. So what is a sum? Actually, there is a sum. The sum is the sum of x plus 5 observation is x square plus 125. Clear? Sum of this number of observation is, this is sum, going to be sum. What is actually sum of this number of observation is this. So x square plus 125. How many numbers? N equal to x plus 5 numbers. So here asked to find mean to be found. What is mean? Mean is nothing but sum of observation divided by number of observation. Then sum of observation is given as x square plus 125. Numbers will be at x plus 5. So here simply we can do it. So for that, I'm using this method for in some exams, using this method find this or that. So x cube here is given x cube, not x square. X cube. Then here also x cube. So very easy. X cube na will, you can rewrite this as x cube plus 5 cube by x plus 5. Clear? Okay. Then actually you may get in this method. I'm work out this method, first method, and then I will give you property. Using that property will cancel. So for that, actually x cube, for first of all we should do this method, x cube plus dummy 0 x square, because x squared not given. So as a dummy 0 x squared is included, as a dummy 0 x is included, and finally 125. This is the standard form, x cube, x squared, x and the one constant form. Here x cube is here. Okay. Then what is divided by x plus 5? X plus 5. When x square, x cube is divided by x, it will give x square. Then using x squared, multiply this 2, and x squared into x, x cube. X squared into 5, 5x squared. Remaining are nothing. So take minus minus, because this, sorry, x squared into x, x cube. X cube. Then you will get 0 and minus 5x square and 0x plus 125. So now I'll move on next thing. So 5 minus 5x square divided by this x. This will give us minus 5x. Just putting here minus 5x and multiply with this. So minus 5x square. And then 5 5s are 25x minus 25x. Then plus the changing sign. So what actually, when making plus here, so we can cancel each other. It makes 0. 0 plus 25x plus 125. Clear? Then 25x is divided by this x. 25x is divided by this x, and they will give 25. So put 25 here and make multiply product of this factor and the 25. So it will give 25x. 25 5s are 125. So we have completely remainder 0. It goes completely remainder 0. So when taking minus and minus here, so completely remainder goes 0. So we have exact division as x squared minus 5x plus 25. So I think x plus 5 is a one factor. X plus 5 is a one factor. Another factor is a quotient of this, x squared minus 5x, x squared minus 5x plus 25 is equal to x cube plus 5 cube plus 5 cube. So actually this as a formula, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus actually 3a square b plus 3a b square. So this is also the form like that actually we can refer. So further actually this is a plus b into a plus b the whole square is equal to a cube plus b cube of plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square. When elaborating this as actually a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b. So quadratic and linear will gives us something like that. Okay, so this is how we need to analyze this, and we'll move on next one. So what is that? Find a quotient remainder for following a synthetic division method. Synthetic division method. Synthetic division method is that x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 3 is divided by x minus 3. So now the coefficient of p of x is taken as uh, x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 3. Here p of x in descending order 3 and 2 and 1 and x power 0. So then coefficient of p of x is that 1 1 minus 7 and minus 3 coefficient of constant order here. So then what is the whole divided by x minus 3. X minus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. Now we'll make a synthetic division method uh, as that 1 1 minus 7 and minus 3. Here 3. Put 0 here and 1 0 1 0 1. Then 3 ones are 3. So 1 plus 3 4 here. Then 3 fours are 12. So making addition will gives us 5. 3 5s are 15. So now you will get a remainder as a 12. Remainder as a 12. So it is very easy to find when this quadratic this function is divided by x minus 3. So it will gives us remainder 12, and quotient will be as for x square and 4x and 5 as a quotient. A remainder is 12. So we can clearly got it as a quotient and a remainder using this method. So another sum will do it. So another sum as what is that x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 4 all divided by x plus 2. So this is minus 2 here, and 1 2 minus 1 and minus 4 in descending order. The coefficient of given equation is written here, and this x plus 2 is equal to 0, then you will get x is equal to minus 2, and put here, and what 0, just put 0 here, and I add up this, it will gives 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 2, then add, it will 0, then minus 2 into 0 0, then add those, it will gives us minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, then add and put the greater sign. Add means that there is a different sign, subtract and put the greater sign, minus 2. So now it as a remainder as it's minus 2, and quotient will be x square plus 0x minus 1. Then remainder quotient, this is the quotient, and the remainder is -2. Clear? So thereby we can understand synthetic division method. We'll move on another one. Okay, thank you.